water sector in Saudi Arabia become a mature market. Today, Saudi Arabia is the major desalination. When we start in 2018, the capacity production through the private sector participation, it was only 1.2 million cubic meter per day. Today, we are almost double that, and opportunities for international lenders, investors, EPC, and also it will contribute on the local content aspect in Saudi Arabia. We have 6 projects under operations, all IWBs, which is desalination project. 2 of them started 11 years ago, and they are IWBB. The recent commissioned project, Rabagh 3, considered to be one of the biggest RO in the region. The second one is the Shgig 3, also commissioned in 2021 December. And the remaining 4 projects also remain RO. And under construction, we have Jubail 3A, Jubail 3B, and Yamba 4. Total production of these 3 projects is approximately 1.5 million cubic meter per day. In ISTB, we have 6 projects under construction right now. In the pipelines, we have under tendering Rabagh 4, Ras Mhais. We have a small sewage treatment project, which is also in qualification stage. In future, we have above 60 projects. The total investment cost of this project, approximately 35 billion SAR. And by this project, which I mentioned, we will reach to 7.5 million cubic meter per day. Saudi Arabia, at least in the water sectors, consider ourselves number 1 on the BBB models. A number of projects, value of these projects, the competitiveness of these projects, it shows and proven by the numbers of expression of interest we are receiving on the market. If you talk about BBB, you talk about 13 years of experience. And within the recent 5 years, there is a concentration and further needs. When we gather the data for the last 5 years, we see that we are one of the fastest procurement process from expression of interest till the financial close. And we reach an average 30 months. We achieve one of the projects within 20 months. We're trying to further improve the process and then become more effective and efficient. We're adapting full transparency, fairness with all. And we are very rare as a procurer, having established the 7-year capacity statements, where it gives the whole investor and interest parties that 7-year plan where they can plan their invest procurement process as one of the good example and blueprint for emerging market. We are open to transfer the knowledge and improve the BBB in the water sectors in the GCC region. Environmental social governance is very important for Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia now is a key player or pioneering on environmental compliance initiatives. The environmental aspect is really very important criteria on preparing the documents for the tenders. And we care about carbon emission, greenhouse gases, and we adapt using renewable energy to reduce the CO2 emissions. We are aligned with the global focus on ESG and also pioneering Saudi Water Initiative, which is reusing some of their claimed waters. We put in criteria that allow investors, international and local lenders, to use renewable energy. It's reduced CO2 emission to environment by 112 kiloton from only 1 million cubic meter per day. The technology is playing a very vital role. In the desalination nowadays, we are adapting the most friendly and economic technology, which is reverse osmosis technology. It's used for producing desalinated water from seawater. And the sewage treatment systems, we are now mandating that all the sludge has to be beneficiary sludge, where they produce some energy and use it in the system, so reduce the consumption of energy, reducing the CO2 emissions. We are allowing any technology commercially tested, proven, so we ensure that the project will succeed for 25 years.